Hello friends, it's Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video, so early in the morning, we're talking about some cheap Olay over at Walgreens, and my gosh, this is a solid deal. So if you can make this happen, absolutely. And the coupon right now, it's kind of harder to find, but I'm going to explain how you can find it. And if you are not about computers or any of this, it'll probably pop up about Monday afternoonish. So if you look at the cover of the flyer, it says $5 register reward when you purchase 3 of the following participating items. And if you look at the very bottom, there's Old Spice, and in the fine print, it also says Olay. And it is 2 for $12. Online it's $5.99, but we're doing this in store, so it's going to be 2 for $12. So we're going to grab for this deal 4 of the Olay body washes. So how great is that? And how to find this coupon is to go into the app and to add 1 Olay body wash for $5.99 into your cart and put it for a curbside pickup. And then when you go to the checkout screen, it's going to say available coupons to load on the page. And then what will pop up if you clip that is the 8 off of 4. And the 8 off of 4 is below it. So there it is. And that's the one you're going to want to load. And so here it is again, guys, and it is a manufacturer coupon, and it's basically $2 off of each body wash. So how fantastic is that? And as you can see, this guy expires on the 29th. And the last time this coupon rolled around, it was valid for like 3 days or something like that. So make sure that you have this guy loaded, because like how absolutely fantastic is that? This is just a gift. Now, if you might have this booster, which is $5 back when you spend $20, this one has expired. This is just for an example to give you guys a visual, but we can pair this with this promotion to get this body wash so cheap. So make sure you have this one loaded. And I know a lot of you have the 5 back when you spend $20. So looking at the math for this one, guys, grabbing 4 of those body washes, they're 2 for $12. So that's $24 for 4 of them. Have that booster loaded along with the 8 off of 4 digital. So after that 8 off of 4 comes off, you're going to pay $16 cash out of pocket. So cash bills, your debit card, your credit card, because you are using a booster with this one. And then you're going to get back a $5 register reward and then $5 of Walgreens cash, making it $6 for the 4 or $1.50 per. Let's make sure not to use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance because this is a spend offer. So to earn that Walgreens cash, you got to pay cash bills for the balance, not your Walgreens cash. Okay, guys, and now for a lot of us that have this monster, obviously grabbing 4 of them, it's going to fill a big part of that basket. Now, alternatively, there's also a different coupon, which is a 4 off of 2 for the Olay. So theoretically, what you could do is to grab 6 of them, and that'll be like $35 and some change. Use both of these. Now, I think this is a store coupon. It's not a regular register reward, so I think 2 of them will print. I will go and test this out this afternoon and let you guys know how it works. But $35 of a $50 basket, well, I'm halfway there, or most of the way there, so this will be quite fantastic. It's to see if the 2 store coupon register reward things will print. I'll let you guys know, but that could be even better if you have the $50 when you spend 50, get back 10. That could be really something to watch out for. So I will test that and let you guys know. Okay, so to answer one quick question, because I know a lot of you love the convenience of doing curbside pickups, this video is for in-store only, and hopefully I've prefaced that enough and shouted it from a mountain. But if you didn't get it, the problem with curbside, and I know a lot of you are having this issue where you go do deals and then your store coupons or register rewards, you don't get them. And it could be a myriad of many reasons. The machine is offline, the machine is off paper, the modem is down for the machine. There could have been a storm in your area that took the machine off. An employee didn't turn the machine on. The cash register wasn't prepped properly. It's many, many, many reasons. But I know that if you call customer service, their base answer now is sorry, those are only for the register rewards or store coupons are for in-store purchases only. So just be super mindful of that. I'm probably going to make a video this week about when your register rewards don't print for curbside and what to do, because I think there's a way around it, but it's neither here nor there for this video. I think for the most amount of success today, try to go into the store to do this if you can, because it's still a fire deal. But I just have to mention this because I'll probably have like 18 people asking about curbside. And I just know that it's a huge headache to try to retrieve these register rewards or store coupons when they do not print. And in case you missed it, guys, I made a video on Friday for my matchups. There's other deals that are quite spectacular because if Olay body wash is not your thing, or if you're a male shopper, obviously it's not your thing. But there's some other things here that are quite fantastic. Lots of freebies and cheapies in this video. Please check it out. I will link it at the very end. Tons of info. Now, one thing that we were talking about in the Friday video was I thought that the $2 coupon for Colgate was chintzy, and look what showed up this morning. We have a 4 off of 2, making the Colgate toothpaste completely free. Okay, guys, so let's jog through the math for this again. So the Colgates are $3.99, so grabbing 2 of them, that's $7.98. Subtracting the 4 off of 2 digital manufacturer, you're left with paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash. Hey, that's a freebie. And if you're doing this on its own, it is okay to use Walgreens cash to earn Walgreens cash. Okay, and just a couple other digitals that I would load include this $5 off. You have to buy a partial foam cleaner, a toothpaste, and a mouthwash, but you never know. This is good till the middle of June, so there you have that. We have the $3 off for the 9-element fabric softener and the 9-element detergent. So I didn't see the one for the 9-element spray or dish soap, but hey, it's at least something. And then the final coupon that I would absolutely load is the $10 off of the Nicorette. I will post my video in a bit, guys, for my Olay findings, and I'll let you know how I do. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.